Okay, I've been peeing in our attic because the Joseph Mengele murderers who operate that microwave weapon, have been creating fake diseases in me now for over 40 years. They've been trying to create a fake prostate problem, okay? So I've been peeing in here where I've set up defenses for myself that have worked, okay? And I got to say that it's clear as day that my defenses have worked in here, okay? So what I want to do now is I perceive that there is some kind of field in here, a magnetic field of some kind. So I'm going to get our compass out, and I'm going to examine what the compass is saying. Okay, here, we'll look in the light. Okay. Let's wait. I got to say that if I want to get in the position where the compass is telling me what's right, and the light can show what I'm seeing here. I don't even know if I'm showing what I need to show. Okay, this compass. Okay, I'm saying that the polarity of this compass has been reversed by the magnetic field created in this attic to try to keep me from being able to pee in here. Okay? How that would work, I don't know. But microwaves do create heat, and they could possibly swell up my prostate. If I was in a bath of microwaves at a very almost imperceptible level, they could swell up my prostate to make it difficult for me to pee. And there's enough microwaves in here to create a magnetic field that has reversed the polarity of this compass. So let me show. Here's the window, okay, in our attic. There's the compass. There's the window, and it's clearly reversed. There's the entrance to the attic, and the direction I'm facing here is south. It's not north, and the polarity of this compass has been reversed. I'm saying this is proof for the microwave weapon that's been being used on me for over 40 years and longer. Okay? So there's the proof. Today is 18th of February, 2026, and right now, let's see what time it is. It is 5:15 p.m. This compass is showing reversed polarity in my bedroom. It's pointing north is that direction. That direction is south. North is this direction. That away. Okay, so let's walk over to the attic and see what happens here. It's still reverse polarity. Here's where I pee. Here's the setup. There's that window over there, and the compass says north is that direction. That's south. The direction is pointing there. There's the window. There's the compass. Pointing it north is that direction. It is not that direction. That direction is south. And the opposite direction, that direction is north. So the polarity in this attic, the polarity in this compass has been reversed by the electromagnetic field created, I guess, in my entire house by the bath of microwaves that I've been living in. And I've been saying that this bath of microwaves has kept my lungs at like a simmering point of mucus congestion. Today is the 19th of February, 2026. And right now, it's about 11 minutes before 12 noon. I just put this app on my phone and look what it says here. It says to move away from any magnetic interference or recalibrate by waving your device in a figure-8 motion. Interesting. It's saying that a magnetic field will interfere with the operation of the compass. There's the answer to my question earlier. Now, let me see. Move away from magnetic interference. There is no magnetic interference, or there shouldn't be in here at all. Okay, there's nothing in here that could possibly be a magnetic interference. So, let me set this over here.
Over 440 millimeters in Portland. How about the prefecture? That's unprecedented. It's the rainy season, but Tohoku is typically much drier than Western or Central Japan, so this much rain is definitely unprecedented. Now, it looks like heavy rain will continue, and these are the reasons because of the heavy rainfall for the rainfall that will the system. The rainy season.
And now it is pointing correctly toward the north. That direction is north, as I said, and the opposite direction is south. So let's go back into the attic now and take a read on this. Let me show my magnet compared to that one, okay? That's pointing in the right direction. And here's my magnet. It's pointing opposite. Just as I said, my magnet's polarity has been reversed by the constant bath of microwaves in this house. Okay, now let's go back in the attic and look at the comparison there.
The influence will continue for a long duration of time. Elsewhere in Japan, it's going to be hot once again. Tokyo's high could hit 36 degrees, and even northern areas could see dangerous hot conditions, maybe nearly 40 degrees in spots. Now we'll see stormy conditions continuing at least into the next several days. Now, the previous typhoon called the Tokusuri dropped heavy rainfall, and as the remnants, it affected the northeastern portions of China too. Take a look at this. Tropical cyclones can bring a lot of heavy rainfall. It's the middle of the typhoon season across Asia, so please.
Over my P station.
Hello there. Tokyo started off with blue skies today with a nice break in the wet season. The seasonal rain band has sacked to the south, so it was sunny in Tokyo in the north as well. But the frontal system is still lingering over western Japan, so rain is falling out there. As we go into the weekend, we will see heavier rain showers across the Kyushu region. Kagoshima has already had more than 500 millimeters of rain.
I guess,
Additional rain is not
being
good news.
drawn
Tokyo will also
into
experience a wet weekend, and then we will see scorching hot conditions as we go into next week, and Akita could enter the rainy season as we go into the next couple of days or so. Further down towards the south, we have a couple of tropical disturbances. We have Utip. This is this year's
this one
first
is
named
now
storm over the western Pacific,
showing the
and we have a
correct
newly formed tropical
polarity.
depression. That Utip is going to be a threat for
South
southern
is
China. The system will likely make its way towards Hainan
that
on Friday
direction
and then
there,
heading
which
towards
my compass
Hong
was
Kong as we go
saying
into
was
the weekend. And then a tropical
north.
depression. This one will likely head towards the north, heading towards Taiwan, and eventually going towards the Korean Peninsula. So lots of things are happening across Asia.
And
let's go to Europe.
when I
It's quite hot out there across the west.
put
Take a
this
look at this
compass
video coming out
here,
of now what's happening is that we have a jet stream meandering
beside that one,
up towards the north, so that's
okay,
allowing hot air to come
it
in from the
showed
north
that
from the south. So we are looking at quite hot temperatures for many places.
north was
including
correct
the
on this
west
compass,
and
but
also the central
now
portions of Europe.
it's showing once
Looks like
again
Paris
the
and Rome will be
incorrect
seeing temperatures about 10 degrees higher
polarity
than
here.
normal
It's
for
showing
this time
that
of the year for the
north
next few
is
days. So stay hydrated to
that
avoid
way,
heat stroke. That's
which
it
is
for me. Have a nice
incorrect.
day.
That way is south.
The unprecedented heat will
So
continue to grip Japan.
this
In
compass
fact, on Tuesday, the high
is
rose to
showing a
41.8
reversed
degrees. That was the
polarity
national
here.
record. And today,
Okay?
on Wednesday, the high was 41.4 degrees in
Now,
Shizuoka. That's the second
my
highest
opinion
national
is
record. Now, the
that
heat
the
will be
magnetic
continuing
field
across
in
central
this
Japan,
attic has
including
created
Tokyo.
this
35
problem.
is the expected
I'm
high
not
on
a
Thursday.
scientist,
But other
and I
areas will
don't
see
understand
cooler
what's happened
temperatures.
here, but
Osaka have been seeing
this
highs
compass here
above
in my hand
35
has been
degrees for 16
absolutely
days in a row.
reliable.
Still cooling
And
down a bit,
what is it showing
but
here?
it's going to be 33
It's showing me
degrees
the
on
opposite of what
Thursday,
it should
and
be
then 32
showing.
in Fukuoka, and Niigata at 30,
My conclusion is
32
as
degrees.
stated.
Now, the heat stress index still
So
at
let me
danger
stand
level,
with
so
this
be careful
compass
of heat
exactly where I
stroke.
was just
Rain is
standing,
falling heavily across the Sea of Japan
with the
side. We've
compass
got
that
about
shows
180
reverse
millimeters of rain
polarity,
in just
and you can
24
see
hours. That's
here
the
that this
August
compass
record
is
in
still
Niigata
correct.
in this spot. We have some
There it
video coming
is.
up. Rain is
So
expected to
what's happening
expand
with
across
this one
many
here?
places, including Kyushu, as we go into Thursday, and the heaviest rain will likely fall in the mid part of the Japan, including Hokuriku and Tohoku. Nearly 200 millimeters of rain is likely. That will cool temperatures a bit.
I can't say I understand, but
Heavy rain is pounding the south and
tropical
eastern
system to
portions of the
directly
polarity's
affect the
reversed.
main
And then across
islands
the
of Japan
opposite
so
side of the
far
United
this year.
States,
My
It's a large
conclusion
time
about what
that
I
has
just
been
seen.
bringing a lot of heavy rainfall for many
My
places
conclusion
of
is
Japan,
that this
including the Kanto
this compass
region
here
and Tokyo as well,
is
and
weaker in
tornadoes
strength
sighted in parts of
than the
Shizuoka
compass available
prefecture. The
online.
system will likely
And so
stay
this
over
weaker
Kyushu or
compass
near Kyushu
is
into Monday
showing
morning local time as
the
a potent
effect of
typhoon,
the
and it
magnetic
quickly
field
changed the course
in
towards
that
the
attic
north
and in this
east. It could
room,
move over western
whereas
Japan
this
and
stronger
possibly
compass
into the Tohoku
online
region into
is able to
Tuesday.
overcome
So
that
many
weak
places of Japan will be
bath
impacted
of
by
microwaves that I say I'm in. Okay?
a lot of heavy rain is still on the menu. We could
The
see
compass
an additional
online can
400
overpower
millimeters of
that
rainfall over
weak
Kyushu
bath
and
of
700
microwave
millimeters
magnetic
across
field.
portions
But
of
the
the
less
central
strong
Korea that could
compass
lead to flooding
is
as well as
overwhelmed
landslides.
by that
Mandatory evacuation is
that bath of
very dangerous.
microwaves,
It
and
needs
it's
extra
showing the
caution.
reverse of
You have to
polarity
stay
that
at
happens.
home.
Now,
Make sure that
when
you
I
stay
put
on the
this
higher floor in your
compass
house to avoid
beside
flooding.
the
Now, winds will
right
be
beside the one
powerful. We
online,
could see
this
gusts
compass
of over
correctly
230
shows north and
kilometers per
south.
hour
And it was
into
drawn
Monday
into the
under
power
such conditions.
of the
Many
magnetic
trees could be uprooted
strength,
and
however you would
subject to
say
wind
the science,
tornado. Waves could be up
of
to
the
14
online
meters.
compass.
So be vigilant.
Okay? And that's what
Tornadoes, as I
happens.
mentioned,
So I'm
lots of
saying
damage could
still,
happen. Trucks could
if this
overturn,
compass here
signboards could be blown away, and even power outages
is
could continue
clearly
for
showing
days.
that
Now, this is a
I've
forecast
been
for the
living
next
in a
3 days.
bath of
Even though the storm will be
microwaves
moving away from the
from
Kagoshima,
a
stormy
microwave
conditions could
weapon
continue in
directed
Kagoshima
at me
into
by
Monday.
what I'm
Heavy
calling
rain coming into Japan
a
from
group
west
of
of Japan.
Joseph
Be prepared for
Mengele
stormy
level
conditions.
evil
These are
folks.
stormy conditions for the south. And like I said,
And
the storm will touch
it appears to me that these folks
and the
are
winds will be strong.
the United States and what's called the intelligence community. This is not Russia doing this to me, China doing this to me, North Korea doing this to me, or Cuba doing this to me. And believe me, I am not a communist. I'm an American patriot through and through. Okay? That's all from me for now. Today is the 19th.